What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 4th of July. We are taking a look at Pepe USDT, ticker symbol PEPE USDT this morning. Pepe currently down 4.6, but the trend does remain higher and it is looking good. Let's jump over real quick before we get into the Pepe chart. Over at the cryptobubbles.net website, that is cryptobubbles.net. We are on the daily time frame. Get a quick look at the markets at a glance here. Looks like we got a good mix of red and green this morning. Looks like MKR up 11.2, APT up 8.9, AAVE up 12.1. So cryptobubbles.net. Check out that website. Pretty cool website here. So guys, back into the Pepe PEPE daily chart. Put out a video yesterday. We hit a target number one on a higher high breakout yesterday. 18.7177. Let me show you what that looks like on the 3-minute time frame. We broke out yesterday once again to the upside. We hit our target number one perfectly. 18.17177. Check out that target hit and then reversed to the downside. So target number one can be checked off the list. It has been hit on the 3-minute time frame. It's nice to get a good zoom in here on the charts, stepping away from the daily. So that is good. Let's get back to the daily and we'll walk you through what I see and what I think here is going to play out for Pepe. So Pepe is clearly in an uptrend, and let me explain myself here. So we obviously have this steady, smooth and steady decline, this slight rounding bottom. We have a lower high right here. We printed a higher low on the 20th. Boom, we get our higher high. We have a confirmed change in trend. We pull back to another higher low. And yesterday, higher high. The trend is clearly to the upside. What does that mean? It is higher lows and higher highs. Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. You can think of it as a stair stepping to the upside. Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Until that is no longer the case, Pepe will remain in the hands of the bulls. When that changes, this is what it could look like. You could get a massive break lower, creating a lower low. You could also get something like this. A pullback to a higher low, a rally to a lower high, and then a lower low. So a smooth and steady change to the downside. So more than likely, one of two of those things will take place. But so far we have higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and, as of yesterday, another higher high. And what was very good to see yesterday is we not only, one, did we create a higher high, two, we hit our target at 187.177, 187.177 perfectly and pulled back. So as long as this current pullback, we're down 4.5% at the moment. It is 9:10 on the 4th. As long as this pullback doesn't get too aggressive and start to make lower lows, the uptrend will remain intact and the bulls will hold control of this for now. If we start to see a very aggressive pullback, and what I mean by pullback is a lower price. If we start to see a pullback basically over 20%, then there's a good chance that the bears have taken control of this chart and of Pepe, the meme coin. But until then, Bulls have control. Bulls hold the ball in their court. All right, so enough of that. Guys, next target to the upside for Pepe, in my opinion, not financial advice, is 213,900. 213,900. That would be this first yellow horizontal line, 213,900. On a percentage basis from where we're currently trading, that is roughly about a 23% move higher. That's 213,900. Target number 2, if we continue to rally past that 213,900, would be 240,857, 248.57, 240,857. And if we rallied straight from where we're at today up to that target, that's roughly about a 35% move, or about 10% higher than the 213,900. So we'll see how far this pullback does go here. Potentially down to the 168.87 could be a decent area right in here. Basically, these highs could see a pullback to that. We'll have to see what Bitcoin does. 2 targets above the market. Bitcoin starts to rally, guys. Keep in mind, we got 2 other targets up there. 478,877, 627,765. Way up here. And what does that do? That takes the price above all-time highs. So for right now, the trend does remain intact. We have about a 24 or 25 and a 35% higher targets. That's these 2 yellow lines. Keep your eyes on them. Also, if Pepe starts to pull back basically above 20%, the bears will have taken control of the price. But right now, it's bullish. We're stair-stepping to the upside. The trend remains intact for the bulls. Will we have all-time highs coming here for Pepe in the future? Let me know down in the comments. If you're still hanging around, let's go jump over to Bitcoin. Guys, I want to thank you to all of these subscribers. Appreciate you guys checking out the videos and leaving your thoughts down in the comments. Nice day yesterday for Bitcoin, getting a slight pullback this morning. Next target, which we did not hit, is 31,573. We break above that, straight to 34,000 right up here. And that would be a target number 1 is roughly about a 1.5% move higher. That can happen basically instantly if Bitcoin starts to rally. And then target number 2 is about a 10.5% up there at 34,293. So things are looking good right here. Not every day can be a green day. We are not down much, but if we start to pull back too aggressive, the bears could start to take control. But right now, it's the bulls for Pepe and for Bitcoin. Guys, if you are not yet joined to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.